The liquid soap I made 7 months ago has finally finished. So I made a new batch and thought to share the process with you. I'm making 20 liters of quality multipurpose liquid soap, and that's a 20-liter bucket. But I'll start with 16 liters of water and save 4 liters. In the 16 liters, I added 100 grams of nitrosol, followed by 200 grams of soda ash, then 50 grams caustic soda. For every chemical you add, you have to stir very well. In the 4 liters of water, we add 52 grams STPP followed by SLS. It looks like rice. This one can take a little time to dissolve compared to the other chemicals, but just stir. Now it's time to add Texapon. Keep stirring and add the foam booster. They usually don't add the foam booster at the chemical shop, but make sure you tell them to include it as it will help your soap to lather well. Now we add the 4-liter mixture to the 16 liters and stir very well. The next chemical to go in is the sulfonic acid, and this is it. I will put all the measurements in the caption. I spent a total of 6,650 naira making this liquid soap. For color, I chose orange and dissolved it in a little quantity of water before adding it to the mixture. Keep stirring till everything is well combined, and finally add fragrance. This is lavender. We stir again till everything is well combined, and we will cover this till the next day, basically 24 hours. And this is 24 hours later. As you can see, it is settled, it is thick, it is fragrant, it is, what else now, colorful, and it really lathers well. I'll share a link to a more detailed video on my story in case, and I hope you found this video useful. Thank you everyone for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful and creative, please comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever we post on this channel.